very simple topic that I am going to tell you, and that is language. What is language? You can think about these points. You can write down the points I am telling you. What is a language? What is the purpose of a language? Why a language is necessary? आप शॉर्ट नोट्स में लिख सकते हो लैंग्वेज, लैंग्वेज को मेन हो गया, उसके नीचे आप लिखने, नोट्स बनाने सिखा रहा हूं मैं आपको, बोल रहा हूं मैं आपको। मीन्स, मीनिंग, नीचे लिख लो मीनिंग, कोमा लगा के लिख लो। पर्पस, फिर कोमा लगा के लिख लो नीड या नेसेसरी। समझ गए आप? ये सब पॉइंट्स हो गए इसके। एक मेन हेडिंग हो गया। अरे सुन लेना, जो भी समरी राइटिंग वाले कुछ बैठे हुए हैं तो यहाँ पे समरी राइटिंग, नोट मेकिंग, अभी सुन लेना, सब कुछ यहीं पे हो जाएगा अभी। समझ गए आप? सबसे पहले एक हेड टॉपिक क्या हो गया इसका? लैंग्वेज। देन इसका हमने सब टाइटल क्या दे दिया, या टाइटल हमने, सब टाइटल क्या दे दिया हमने? एक दे दिया इसका भैया, इसका मीनिंग, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लैंग्वेज, व्हाट इज लैंग्वेज। दूसरा टॉपिक हमने दे दिया पर्पस, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज, व्हाई इज इट नेसेसरी फॉर अस। सिंपल सी बात है, सोच सकते हो आप। नेक्स्ट आप आइए, बी नंबर डाल के लिखिए, ये ए नंबर में डाल दो। ऊपर आप 3-4 बातें जो मैंने लिखवाई हैं बी नंबर में लिख लो आप फटाफट से डाल करके। स्किल्स ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज, स्किल्स ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज, ये द पर्पस ऑफ लैंग्वेज। और जो हमने ऊपर लिखा है ना एक, व्हाट वी हैव रिटन दैट व्हाई इज इट नेसेसरी फॉर अस, और व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज। सो इससे जुड़ा हुआ है, इट इज कनेक्टेड विद द पॉइंट दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, एंड दैट इज skills of a language. So what are the skills of a language? You know very well, I have told you many times. 4 skills, there are 4 skills of a language. लिख सकते हो आप, लिख दो फटाफट से, रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग और लिसनिंग। हरी आप, इतना टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, जल्दी कराओ, मेहंदी लग रही है हाथों में, जल्दी करो फटाफट से।
सर जस्ट इमेजिन किसी की शादी हो रही है और उसके हाथों में रियल में मेहंदी।
कीप क्वाइट, कीप क्वाइट, ओनली डू योर वर्क। यस, हो गया। अब आप एक तीसरा स्किल हो गई इसकी। नाउ आप, यू कैन राइट डाउन, सी नंबर डाल के लिख दीजिए आप, हाउ कैन वी लर्न अ लैंग्वेज, हाउ कैन वी लर्न अ लैंग्वेज, कैसे हम एक लैंग्वेज को सीख सकते हैं। यू नो देयर आर 2 वेज ऑफ लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज। नीचे आप सब टाइटल डाल करके पहला दूसरा नंबर डाल करके लिख दीजिए डायरेक्ट, दूसरा नंबर डाल के लिख दीजिए इनडायरेक्ट। डायरेक्ट क्या आ गया, आप एक एरो बना करके लिख दीजिए एनवायरमेंट, और इनडायरेक्ट क्या आ गया, एरो बना करके लिख दीजिए ट्रांसलेशन। और आप एक नीचे सी नंबर 1 2 3 4 जो भी कुछ सब ठीक लगे नंबर डाल करके लिख लो ग्रामर, और उसके नीचे लिख लो नंबर डाल के वोकैबुलरी। नाउ एक पॉइंट और डाल के लिख दीजिए, चौथा पांचवा जो भी है आपका, हाउ कैन वी इम्प्रूव, हाउ कैन इट बी इम्प्रूव्ड, या इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ दिस लैंग्वेज, इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज। तो आप उसके नीचे लिख सकते हो, कैसे आप कर सकते हो, बाय प्रैक्टिस, बाय रीडिंग, बाय लिसनिंग, लाइक दैट। ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा नहीं है, पॉइंट्स आपके सामने है, फोकस्ड रहिए। और
सर आपने उनका पूरा लेक्चर इसी के ऊपर दिया था
कब?
कल।
हाँ, तो वो जो भी होता है वो, अब कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि आपको यही आपके अंदर होना चाहिए, so that you can develop these points in your views। तब है आपकी पढ़ाई। रटने वाले यहाँ पर रुके ही नहीं, चल रहे अभी उठ करके, ठंडक ठंडक में, आज तो मौसम भी ठंडा है। इसी तरह के टास्क मिलेंगे आपको करने के लिए यहाँ पर। क्लियर हो गई बात? अब इसी तरह के टास्क मिलेंगे, सब मैंने समझा दिया आपको, लैंग्वेज क्या होती है, क्या क्या आपके सब लिखे हुए हैं आपके सामने। बिना घबराए उठाइए पॉइंट्स को, डेवलप कीजिए और सेंटेंस बोलिए। सबसे अच्छा ये होता है, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे ऑफ इट, दैट वी मस्ट लिसन टू दोस who are doing well, like the students of our oldest students, like Rakshit, Harshit, Rohit, Harsh, like Sushil, and like Komal, Gaurav, doing well, does very well, but he needs a little bit of treatment in a different way. And the other students must listen to those how they are speaking, how they are developing the thoughts. Focus करो अपना सुनने पे. अब ध्यान रखो इस बात को. आप अगर वास्तव में आपको अच्छे से अंग्रेजी अगर आपको बोलनी है, सीखनी है, तो समझ में आ रही मेरी बात आपको? अब आपको फोकस करना है, सुनो क्या बोल रहे हैं यार, कैसे बोल रहे हैं, सुन करके समझने की कोशिश करो. पॉइंट्स को देखते रहो, पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं, बोलते जा रहे हैं, कैसे कैसे पॉइंट्स को यूज कर रहे हैं. सुनो, एक को सुनो, दो को सुनो, चार को सुनो. मैं आपको उसी हिसाब से आपका नंबर कॉल करूंगा. क्लास में से कोई भी छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा. ध्यान रखना इस बात को. जिसको जाना हो पहले चले जाओ आप. Till the last moment, all would be present in the class. So
Sir.
You are ready for it?
Sir.
It. Yes.
Sir, I have to go in between.
Sorry?
I have to go in between of class because I have to go to doctor.
To the doctor? At
Yes.
what time?
Sir, when my father will come.
Okay. Only you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा नियमों में बांधिए अपने आप को. आपके लिए ये हैं. नियमों में बांधिए थोड़ा सा अपने आप को. चीजों को सीखो, चीजों को डेवलप करो अपने अंदर, इन चीजों को. नहीं तो आगे बड़ी दिक्कत होगी तुम्हारे को. सच बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. If you want to become a good speaker, naturally you must be a good listener. ध्यान रख लेना. इसलिए सुनने पे फोकस करो. जब आपका नंबर आए तो अच्छे से बोलने की कोशिश करो. घबराओ मत, डरो मत. So, okay, very good. Now I am starting the class, and with
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have to go.
Okay, move. You may leave.
Sir, I think I will come when the class is.
If you come, we are here for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Take care, beta. So first of all, I am calling. Now listen to all. मैं हिसाब से नंबर बुलाऊंगा आपको. नंबर, नाम तो लिखना ही नहीं है. नाम नहीं लिखना है. मैं अपने आप बुला लूंगा नाम. सुनिए आप उन लोगों को. First of all, I am calling Rakshit.
Yes, sir.
सुनिए आप ध्यान से आप. Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is language. So we know that what is a language? Language is a means of communication by which we interact with people and can share our thoughts and feelings. And we know that what is the importance of a language, and when a person have a good knowledge of a language, yes, when a person has good knowledge of a language and is skilled in speaking the language, he can be more interacting to the people, and he and people will appreciate his people will
अपना फेस पूरा दिखाओ. आप पूरा फेस दिखता है तो अच्छे से समझ में आती है. मतलब पूरा फेस दिखाओ अपना. और अभी मोबाइल को सेट करो थोड़ा सा. यस, अब ऐसे पूरा फेस दिखाओ अपना. हाँ.
Yes, people will appreciate him or her, and we know that what is the purpose of a language. The purpose of a language is that we can communicate to others. If there is no language, then we have to communicate only by giving signs to each other, but it will not be so useful and impactful, because by giving signs we understand the we understand a few that what is the another person is telling. But if we use language at the place of a science, then we can understand more in a more better way than by giving science. And language is one of the most important part because everyone lives his life by interacting with people and communicating with people. If a person does not communicate with anyone, it will be very odd type of feeling for him or her that he is not communicating or interacting. And uh, and we know that there are different types of languages. Like in India, we have main 22 languages, including Hindi, and all the language has its literature and
हैज हो यहाँ पे ध्यान रखो थोड़ा
yes sir, all the languages have their literature
पूरा कसवा
and grammar. And we know that a language becomes a language when it has its own words and grammar. And uh, and um, we know that now the English is now an international language that is used very commonly with the people of many countries. And uh, and so eh, and uh, we know that to improve any language and to learn any language, first we have two ways. First, to live in by living in the environment, we can learn the language. But if we are not living in the environment of the language, there remains a second chance to learn that language, that is by learning the language from grammar and by practicing the language. And and if anyone wants to improve a language, he or she will have to work on the four skills that are listening, reading, writing, and speaking,
शाबाश
because these are the crucial skills to learn or improve any language. And because when you speak, you can you if you are learning a language, you are not speaking in that language, it will not be so impactful for using the language. But if you are learning the language and using the language, it will be very impactful for you to use the language in general or with people. And so that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश वेरी गुड बेटा यस कम ऑन अर्शित सुनो सब ध्यान से कुछ नहीं आप तो सुनो बस अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करो सुन करके बात खत्म बोल पाओगे तो ठीक नहीं देखा जाएगा आराम से बोलोगे आप चाहे 4 सेंटेंस सुनो आप केवल बस आज यही करना है आपको जो भी बोल रहा है उसको सुनो ध्यान से और समझने की कोशिश करो बस फोकस इतना कर लो आज आप यस हर्षित
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More, and today's my topic is language. As we all know very well, that to communicate with each other, we require a language, and language is a term that is used to express anything and to express our feelings. There are many types of languages, like we can take the example of sign languages and the verbal languages. And mostly in today's world, we can see that verbal languages are being used a lot. And we can see that in India, there are uh, 22 languages. And all those languages are official languages, as some of them are not spoken as much as we think. Like we can take the example of Hindi, which is spoken about 40%. Therefore, it is not a national language of India, and it is a uh, and and we can see that there are many things which we make express through languages, and there are many things that we can do with the help of languages. Like if we want to make our we want to make our things effective, then we may use these types of things as we have been taught. And we can say that there may be many things to learn language, but there are mostly two types of things. First is being in the environment of that language, and second one is by learning that language grammar, rules, and regulations, and what is that language, and on what principle that language is based upon. And nowadays we can say that it is the age of science, and we can see that there are many modern methods like those who are unable to speak are using sign languages, and those who are able to speak are using these verbal languages. And we can say that verbal languages have a much have more impact on a speaker than those compared to sign languages. And we can say that nowadays all over the world these types of languages are being used to convey the things, informations, and the useful things of a country, and also it is being used worldwide. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। आपको कहीं भी टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस आपको सुनकर के समझने की कोशिश करना है कि भैया ये क्या कह रहा है, जितना समझ में आ जाए। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आपको एक एक वर्ड एक एक सबको समझ में नहीं आएगा, जितना समझ में आ जाए समझने की कोशिश करना है, अपना नॉलेज बढ़ाना है आपको सुन करके कि हाँ यार क्या है लैंग्वेज के बारे में। बस उसको इतना फोकस करोगे तो दिमाग में स्टोर हो जाएगा, देन बोलते समय उसको निकाल करके आप यूज करना शुरू करो। सुनो और समझने की कोशिश करो, बस इतनी सी बात है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं। ओके, यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal. Today, my topic is the language. As we know that we all are humans and we need to communicate to each other to improve our knowledge and to improve our skills, and to also know about others' feelings and to tell our feelings to others. So, to do this, we all have a common thing by which we interact, that is language. A language simply means a source by which we can communicate to each other. There are many forms of languages. Language, like in India, there is the most prominent language is Hindi. In America, it is English, and in world, the international language is English. And no, uh, uh, and the purpose of a language is to serve or to connect people to each other, just like we connect dots by using a pencil. And here the pencil is the language and the dots are the humans. And as you know that there are 22 languages in India, out of which one is Hindi, which is the most prominent language of India. So by using Hindi language, we all can communicate to each other just like this. uh, to learn any language also, we sorry as we know that to learn any language, there are four main key points, that are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Without these four, we cannot learn any language. But the thing which firstly comes in our mind is grammar. That some people say that we can learn any language by without grammar, and some say that grammar is important. But I say that we can learn a language mostly by grammar. But if we are in an environment too, and we are less interacted with grammar, then also we can learn the language. But without grammar, it is impossible to learn the language. And there are two ways by which we can perfectly know a language, which is by learning in environment. Like in India, we can learn Hindi without going to school or without much knowledge of its grammar. But whereas we talk about English, then we cannot learn the English without taking any external help, like of any teacher. But if we are living in America, then we can learn English without going to any teacher, because there we are having an environment which is important for learning and language. So at last, I need to say that we should learn more and more language to communicate to many other people of the world, many other people in the world. That's it.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। देखो मैं आपको सबको बताता हूँ ये लोग कर क्या रहे हैं, पता है? ये इनके मन में जैसे आ रही है ना चीजें, जैसे इनके मन में चीजें आ रही है ना, ये क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं। बस यही है मेन चीज जो अपने को चाहिए। क्लियर हो गई बात आपको? फोकस करो आप सुनने पे, सुनो आप इनको ध्यान से, उसके बाद आपके मन में जैसे विचार आए ना उनको ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश करो। घबराना नहीं है आपको, उसी जगह पर आपको आना है, धीरे धीरे आना है, एकदम में नहीं होगा लेकिन धीरे धीरे आना है। सुनने पे फोकस करो, समझो। एक काम पहले ये करो, सुन करके समझने की कोशिश करो क्या है, बस फिर बोलने का नंबर आया तो फिर कोशिश करना है बोलने की, जितना अपने को आ सके। समझ गए ना? पॉइंट्स आपके पास में लिखे हुए हैं, कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं। चलो ठीक है, ओके। नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग सुशील। नहीं, मैं अपने आप बुलाऊंगा, आप कोई भी हाथ ऊंचा नहीं करेगा अपना। एक एक पे नजर है मेरी। जाओ क्लास छोड़ के कौन जाता है, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ मैं, आज मैं इसी पे नजर रखे हुए बैठा हूँ। हाँ बोलो सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am a student of the Ramban on an
सुनो
interactive
ध्यान से ना,
classes
फोकस करो सुनने पे
2015
आप।
and today again I am here with our new topic that is language. So first of all I want to introduce you with language. Language is a way to express our views, thoughts and feeling and emotions. And language is very important to interact with someone because only with the help of science we cannot interact. Yes, we can interact with science, but the way of science is not good. It is not suitable and best. Okay, and now I tell you that the purpose of a language. Language is very important for human beings because without it we can't imagine our life. Because we are human being and we have to do something, and for it we have to also express and give our thoughts in front of people. So I think that language is very important. Now I am telling you the skills of a language. They are mainly for skills of a language that are speaking, writing, listening, and
रीडिंग।
yes sir,
घबराओ मत, कोई बात।
reading.
हाँ
And these all skills are very important for our language. Some people say that only speaking is important, important, but according to me, not speaking is not enough. We should be best in these four skills because whenever we do something like sometime we study in our schools, so we use these four types of skills. Without only with the help of one skills we cannot communicate. And now I am telling you the ways of learning a language. There are mainly two ways to learn a language, that are direct and indirect. The direct way is by living in environment and the indirect way is by its grammar. So how can we learn a language living in environment? We can learn a language living in environment, and for it we don't have to go to a institute and school, and we also don't need a teacher, and we can learn it living in our family and in the environment.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा। सिंपल सा बोल रहा है, बस फोकस करो आप सुनने पे बस। हाँ
And the second way is grammar. Actually grammar is the combination of many rules that helps us to make sentences and in also proper way. Because if we are making sentences but the meaning of the sentence is not clear to us, so I think that our communication skill is very weak. So to interact in a good way, the structure and the formatting of the sentences are very important. So now I am telling you that how can we improve our language, because there are many ways. First, as I told that four skills are very important, and and uh, and in a language the most important thing that is vocabulary. we know we are able to make sentences, but if we don't have vocabulary and words, we cannot make sentences. So to interact with people properly, we should know to use good words and effective words. And now I can suggest you that to improve your language, you can do two things. That is, first, that are you can listen and read more and more, because two things are very important to improve your language. Because when we listen to someone and read, we come upon two new words that increase the store of our vocabulary.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. बहुत सिंपल सी इंग्लिश है, बस फोकस करो, आप समझ में आएगा आपको. हाँ.
And the second thing that you can do, like sometime when you are going to somewhere, then in the ways you see some words on the boards and on the shops, so from where you can also improve your vocabulary. And to learn a language, one thing is more important, that is focus. Without focus, you can't do anything, because focus is the most important thing in this world, and it is very important for all things. Whether you are learning a language and you are speaking, whether you are reading, writing, anything, focus is very important. And there are many languages in the world, like Japanese, Chinese, Russian, and Canadian. And in India, there are 22 languages, including Hindi. And the most of people of India use Hindi language to communicate with each other. So at last, I want to say that if you want to be good in any language, so read as much as you can read. So that's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. कुछ नहीं है, बस फोकस करो, जो मन में है उसको बोलो. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश. कुछ नहीं, जो दिमाग में है उसको लाओ और कोशिश करो, बस धीरे धीरे. आज शुरू में ये लोग भी आपके जैसे ही थे, अच्छे से मान के चल लो इस बात को. आप इनसे पूछ लेना, कभी आप बता देंगे आपको इनकी क्या पोजीशन थी. आपके जैसे थे, लेकिन आज इनकी क्या पोजीशन देख रहे हो? बिकॉज ऑफ देयर हार्ड वर्क, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर फोकस. खूब डांटे खाई होंगी, सब कुछ किया होगा, वो होता है, उसके बिना हो नहीं सकता. लेकिन अब कोई जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. ऑल इज वेल. यस, नाउ कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today our topic is language. We all know that language is very important for all, and we all know that we live in Bharat and there are different types of languages like Hindi, English, Urdu, Tamil, etc. And all languages are very important, and we should know about different types of languages because it is work in our future. And we all know there are different types of languages which have literature like Sanskrit, Hindi, English, etc. And literature is very important for our Bharatiya, and literature is wrought by our biggest and good writers, and literature is very important for us. And we all know that language is very important and necessary to us to express our views, feelings, and thoughts to someone. And we can see that we can express our views and thoughts in different types of languages. And if we live in India and in different types of cities, we have own our language, and so we can say that language has many ways to express our views, and language has language has a purpose to express our views. Like if we know that what is the meaning of our feeling and our thoughts, then we express our feelings and thoughts to someone, and it is very necessary because with the help of languages we can express and clear our thoughts to someone.
शाबाश.
And it is to learn our language there are 4 types of skills like reading, listening, writing and speaking. It is not about one language, but it is about all types of languages. And with the help of reading we can say that we can improve our speed in reading. And if we are good listeners, and it is very good thing for us. And writing and speaking also very important thing for our language, to learn our language. And that types of 4 skills are very good for us, and with the help of that skills we can learn and improve our language. And we all know that there is a 2 way to learn any type of.
फोकस करो.
Sorry, sir. There are 2 ways to learn different types of language, and like direct and indirect. And in the direct way we can say that it is affect our environment. Like we live in urban areas, and also rural areas. It is all that are also different. And what is language our family is speaking in our daily routine. That language we can learn easily, because we listen it regularly and daily. And so we can say that the environment is also included very effective. And indirect way like translation and translation practice and writing way, it is also included in learn to a language. And in the language, grammar and vocabulary is very important thing, because if we learn grammar we know that what is the correct way to know what is the correct way to know that what is going on that tomorrow and today and yesterday also. And grammar and vocabulary also very important in Hindi and English language, because in the daily routine we speak Hindi language, and in Hindi language and daily routine we also use grammar and vocabulary. And if we learn English language we also use grammar and vocabulary. And with the help of vocabulary we can learn new words. And it is very important thing to learn a language. And and we can say that we improve our language, like Hindi and English and different types of languages. And it is there is a different types of ways to improve our language. Like with the help, there is a different types of ways to improve our language. Like with the help of practice, reading, listening, writing, etc. And we all know that self practice is the key of our learning method. And practice is very important thing. And with the help of reading and listening we also improve our things. And language is very important, and we have to know about different types of languages. And will be very good for us. And language is very important. And Hindi language is we all know that Hindi language is our mother tongue, and English language is our international language. So we should respect all languages. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. Just now आदित्य,
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Aditya, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B. Today's our topic is language. So, as you know that we speak any language, and that is very important to communicate each other, and that is very nice thing to we learn any language like Hindi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Marathi, etc. And there are 22 languages are speak in our India,
spoken.
are spoken in our India, and that is very nice thing. 22 languages. That is very nice. That is very hard thing to learn of any one language. Like like someone don't speak Tamil and other languages because we don't any idea how to
Don't
speak
have any idea. बोलते रहो.
and that is way. And I have an example to say that why we cannot speak other languages. The first reason is we don't practice anything and direct try to speak that language, and that is very wrong way. Second is we don't read a paragraph to related that language. And there are two types of language in our world. First is Hindi language, that is our mother tongue, and second is English, that is our international language. And so many countries speak English language, like USA, USA and Germany, etc. Why these? What is the reason that countries speak only English language? That their reason is they don't uh, they don't speak other language. They want to speak their language. Any like my favorite language is Gujarati, because so that is very nice thing to speak each other, and that is very nice thing. And what is the reason we learn any new language? That is, we learn more things, improve our mind, and other. At last, I want to say that never give up any time in your life, because there are so many things to learn our mind. That is very nice thing. Yes, that's it.
अरे वाह यार, शाबाश यार, बहुत बढ़िया. और अभी सुधार करने की जरूरत है. सुनना तू सुनेगा तो तेरे को खुद पता चल जाएगा, है ना? सुनेगा तो तेरे को खुद पता चल जाएगा कि मैंने कहाँ पर कैसे. बहुत अच्छा बोला है तूने, लेकिन सुनना जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, है ना बेटा? शाबाश.
Okay, sir.
अभी और ठीक करना है. वेरी गुड. नाउ वैष्णवी है क्या? आई थिंक शी इज नॉट हियर. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch P18. Today's my topic is language. As we all know that if we want to talk with anyone, we use language. Language is so important for talking to each other.
शाबाश.
So we can see that
कोशिश करो सारे के सारे, बस और कुछ मत करो बस. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
we can see that there are a lot of languages in our world, English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. They all have their different grammar and different reader. So if we want to learn any language, we have two things. First, grammar. or second birth in that country or at that environment. So so
अभी मैं इनको तुम तो लिंक भेज देना, मैं भेज दूंगा इनको. हाँ 5 मिनट पहले, टाइम से पहले भेजना बेटा ना. हाँ जी बोलो, क्या हुआ, हो गया?
सर आप बात करने लग गए थे ना, इसलिए मैं रुक गया.
कोई बोल बेटा.
और birth on that environment.
हाँ.
And in that environment, language like English is an international language. Most of the places use English language, like Russia, England, America, etc. If we go in any country or in out of state, we can see that they speak to us in English or in their local language. And we know that we don't know the language of that country, so we speak in English. If we want to know, we can take an example of English. If we don't know English, we cannot communicate with any other country. So if we want to improve our English, so we can read its grammar, follow the rules, and then we can practice. Then we can speak or write it. There are 4 key parts of it: reading, writing, listening, speaking. So these are the 4 main points, and if we want to improve it, we can use high vocabulary word in it. And if we listener, we can also become a good writer. Yes sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. देखो एजिटेशन बिल्कुल ये धीरे धीरे हो जाता है, ऐसा बस करना पड़ेगा आपको एक बार लग के मन के, बिना डरे बिना घबराए. यस, कम ऑन लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is about language. Language is very important in our life, and as you know that 22 languages have been recognized in Indian Constitution,
वेरी गुड, बहुत
and
बढ़िया.
all languages have one important, and Hindi language is our mother tongue, and English language is international language.
शाबाश बेटा.
And when we merge a lot of word, that is called language.
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. नाइस.
And
हाँ.
we can learn language by practice, and we can learn language in the environment. When we live in our family, we learn language in easily way.
In easy
And
way.
in easy way. And to learn Hindi language and English language, we have to go to school and others institution, and environment is very important to learn any type of language.
शाबाश. हाँ.
And in the modern life, English language is very important, and we can achieve our goal to learn English language,
By learning.
and by learning English language, and in India all languages are spoken, like Bengali language, Marathi language, Marwari language, etc. And like Korea, in Korea Korea, the Korean person speak Korea language, and and in a developed country many person speak
many people
many,
use क्या करो हाँ
many people speak in English language, and language is a very important thing. That's it, sir.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया वेरी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है यार यही हमारी पूंजी है प्रिया है क्या
नहीं
नहीं
सर.
है नहीं है काजल
Yes sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. I'm taking Someone online internet classes from batch 20. So my topic is language. As we all know that language is the very important because if we conversation if we do conversation with others and we use a language uh, as we all know that there are 22 languages in India, and all languages are spoken by different type of peoples and in different states, and it is a very big thing because learning a language for learning a language there are four skills: reading, listening, and speaking, and fourth thing is
writing
writing also. So there are these four skills are very important for learning a language because and we can learn a language by two type things that are first is by or environment, and second is by grammar, and as we all know that grammar is the backbone of a language because if we know about the grammar we our language. So environment is play a very big role for learning a language because it is very important, and if our environment is good and we should learn we can learn good things, and it is very as we all know that English language is a international language, and it is spoken in uh,
countries
many countries. It is a very important language, and as we all know that focus is the very important for learning a language and anything है ना, anything because if we for if we want to learn anything, we should focus because it is very important, and we have to focus for if we want to achieve anything. If we want to achieve anything in our life, we have to focus, and we should practice more and more because also practice is very important for learning a language because all know that practice make a man perfect, and it is very good. So we should practice more and more, and
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश शाबाश बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा
we focus on our skills, and we should learn a new day. We should learn a new day, new things because it is very good. It is develop or many things, and we and vocabulary is the very important because if we want to more and more vocabularies, we have to have to learn is easily, and we speak easily, and we know about that language and more, and it is very good. So if we want to achieve anything in our life, we have to focus and that's it.
अरे वाह यार, शाबाश। बस अभी कंटिन्यू रखो, है ना, प्रैक्टिस बराबर। वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। टाइम लगता है बेटा धीरे धीरे, लेकिन हो जाती हैं चीजें, है ना। हाँ, ऐसा कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है कि यार नहीं हो सकता। यस, खुशी खुशी गुजर।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone and good evening to all of you. My name is Gujar and I'm telling about language. As you know, language is very useful and important for everyone. It is part of the life
शाबाश।
because there are many types of language in the world, in the whole world. Yes. Language, with the help of it, we express our thought, our feelings to other, and we can interact to other
हाँ, शाबाश।
by we learn any language in two ways, directly and indirectly. That we can learn any language by environment, and indirectly we can learn any language by grammar, and it is very useful, and we can share our thought by sign, but it is very hard
शाबाश,
for
नाइस वे, वेरी गुड। ऐसे ही बोलना है बस। हाँ,
so language is a very simple way to express their feelings, thought. Every country has their language, and they use their language to share their thought
शाबाश,
to other.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हाँ, वेरी गुड।
So our country has a lot of types of language. Every state has their language. Like Rajasthan has Rajasthani language, and Gujarat has Gujarati language. A lot of language, and we can learn English, yeah, international any language. We can get job any countries, any state,
इन
any
एनी कंट्री, इन एनी स्टेट, इन प्रीपोजिशन लगाओगे ना वहाँ पे। बोलो, आगे बोलो।
and it is skill, and it give us a benefit, and we should learn many types of language to us, and we can learn any language fastly by practice and focus. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो। थोड़ा पर्सनल प्रोनाउन को यूज करते समय ध्यान रखो, बाकी बहुत अच्छा है। कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है ना। समय के साथ सब चीजें अच्छी हो जाएंगी, बस कोशिश करते रहो, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, बस। ठीक है ना बेटा। यस, एंड नाउ मुस्कान, ये गौरव।
Sir, hello, Gaurav, I'm from language. So
you all know that language is very important. Without language, we can't interact with others and also with the world. And also, if you are thinking that we will communicate from by science, means not the science, science
फोकस कर
indication.
फोकस कर हाँ
So the science also have their own language. So there are these indications are also language. So means we can't interact with the world. So and language has 4 levels: basic, intermediate, advanced, and what was advanced and etc. In basic, you will just learn basic grammar or just small paragraph. You could speak small paragraph of a language like. And in intermediate, you will, if I take example of English, you will learn relative pronouns. In English, I'm talking, and any language. Intermediate is the medium level, and the advanced level. In English, advanced level is like synthesis, connections, and other many advanced things, and etc. etc. And also language has 4 types: writing, listening, speaking, and grammar. Grammar is a very lengthy topic. It's another topic. So we will talk about other 3. So writing. So in writing, there is handwriting and also the vocabulary. Well, vocabulary comes in every part of English. Vocabulary is another big topic, like grammar. Vocabularies are infinite. And also in listening. We should listen to others. And if you are thinking that listening is just copying others, no, you are inspiring from them. You are inspiring yourself from them. Listening is that. And speaking, to express your views from your mouth, and that speaking. And that's it. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा शाबाश ऐसी कोशिश किया करो बेटा बस काफी अच्छा दिख रहे हो तुम वेरी गुड अनुज
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today my topic is a language. You know, a language is a system of communication in speech or by writing, and a way to express our views and feelings and thoughts. And there are many kinds of languages spoken in the whole world. There are over 7,000 languages, spoken languages in the world, and in India there are 22 different types of languages are spoken. Because the diversity of India is unmatchable. Because there are different kinds of states, and their clothes are different, their languages are different, their living way is different, and they all are different, but they all love each other and they respect each other's language. And the most spoken language in India is Hindi, and we all love Hindi. And you know what is the Hindi is our emotion, and English we learn because we learn English to grow, but the satisfaction that we get is Hindi. And there are two types of learning any language. One is living in the environment that speaks your language, and the another is to translate one language to another. And there are different kinds of languages in India, like Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali, and in a state there are also many kinds of bits also. And every district and every area, different kinds of area has their own bits. Like in Rajasthan, you will see that there are Marwadi, Dhundadi, Mewadi, etc. And the diversity of India that we all love, because it's all about the changing of the things. And the festivals, there are different kinds of, and India and Hindi is a language is all about speaking, reading, listening, and writing. I love all the languages spoken in India. I respect all the languages spoken in the world. That's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। देखो अब अच्छे फ्लो आने लग रहा है धीरे धीरे, बस घबराना नहीं चाहिए बिल्कुल भी, है ना, कोई आफत थोड़ी आ रही है, बस अच्छे से कोशिश करना चाहिए बस। सिमरन थोड़ी देर की बात और है, बस हो गया काम, ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स नहीं है। सिमरन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Simran Gujar, and today I'm telling about language. As you know that many types of language in this whole world. In this whole world, many people spoken many types language like French.
का ध्यान रखो, वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो बेटा। बोलो, आगे बोलो, फोकस करो वर्ब
Okay.
पे। हाँ।
There are many many languages in India like Gujarati, Rajasthani, Marathi, etc. But main purpose of language is communication, and there are many types of language, and we can learn any language. Then we learn some skills like listening, learning, reading, and speaking, and we can easily learn any language. So we can search environment. We learn any language. So language. Okay. Some people cannot able to learning and speaking and listening. Then they use sign language because they use sign language. Then express their emotions and feelings, and if we can learn any language, so we should focus listening, and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, कोशिश किया करो बस ऐसे। ठीक है, सही, हमें पता है सब हो जाएगा, कोशिश करते रहो बस। वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। एंड नाउ अनवी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Language is the only thing. Without it, a country cannot talk with anyone. Language is the only thing from which we can express our.
बेटा तुम्हारी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही, तुम इसको सही करके आओ बेटा। नहीं, आवाज सही नहीं आ रही बेटा, इसको ठीक करो थोड़ा, है ना। तब तक मैं किसी और को बुलाता हूँ बेटा, उसके बाद फिर तुमको बुलाऊंगा। विपिन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic is language.
थोड़ा मैं मोबाइल को सही सेट करो, तुम्हारी शक्ल पूरी दिखाई दे।
ठीक है।
हाँ, ऐसे। वेरी गुड, ये हुई ना बात। अब बोलो।
Hello, everyone. My name is Vipin Gorwal. I am a student of Rama Interactive Classes. Today my topic.
देख के बोलो बस। हाँ, शाबाश।
Today my topic is language. Language is very important in our life and world. Language is very useful for us. There are many types of languages like English, Hindi, Sanskrit, etc.
Very good. Shabash, shabash.
We spoken many languages. We speak many languages like English, Hindi. Hindi is very famous language in India, and English is very famous language in India. Many people speak Hindi language. I like Hindi and English language. सर, राजभाषा को क्या बोलेंगे? राजभाषा।
मदर टंग कह दो, नेशनल लैंग्वेज कह दो।
इंडिया नेशनल लैंग्वेज इज हिंदी। We cannot live without language.
शाबाश, शाबाश। बोल बोल, तू जो तेरे को बोलना है बोल, घबराए मत, बोल।
All people speak different languages.
बोल बोल बोल। कोई बात नहीं, बोलना है कुछ?
That's it.
इस टॉपिक पे लिखना सेल्फ राइटिंग में, ठीक है? ये कोशिश तो करना है, तुम्हारे को करना ही क्या है, बाकी तो हम देख लेंगे। यस,
आप बोलो।
अनवी आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My today's topic is language. Sir, क्या बोलते हैं? उसको क्या कहते हैं? शाम को क्या कहते हैं?
शाम को इवनिंग।
अरे सर, शाम को नहीं,
शान, प्राइड।
Language is the pride of every country. Country is. Sir, अधूरी को क्या कहते हैं?
Is not complete.
Is not complete without. Is without language. Language is the only means of communication. Without it, we cannot communicate with anyone. Every country has its own language. Like our mother tongue is Hindi, and USA speak English because its mother tongue is English.
शाबाश
Uh,
हाँ
etc. Every country has its main language. Sorry, mother tongue.
हम्म,
Huh? India has 21 languages
शाबाश
if we
शाबाश
do not
हम्म,
include Hindi in it.
हम्म,
English is the international language of the world. We can speak English anywhere
शाबाश
and we can communicate with tourists.
हम्म,
Uh,
शाबाश
like Gujarat has its own.
ऑन लैंग्वेज
Sir,
बेटे आवाज कट रही है बीच बीच में
okay, sir. Like Gujarat has its own language and Rajasthan has its own language. All people speak their mother tongue. Like speak its mother tongue.
शाबाश शाबाश कोशिश करो
Every language has its literature and grammar. We speak a mixed language of Hindi and English.
शाबाश
सर हिंदी और इंग्लिश का जो
हाँ इंग्लिश इंग्लिश वो जो तुम कह रहे हो इंग्लिश स्क्रिप्ट इज इंग्लिश एंड द अदर थिंग इज हिंदी
Okay, sir. Is English all the people of cities speak in English. So that
वाह बढ़िया बस ऐसी कोशिश करना है बेटा शाबाश एंड नाउ पिंकी आ जाओ सब जो रह गए बाकी गेट रेडी घबराना
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Pinky Vidya.
हाँ बोल
सर
हाँ
कंप्यूटर क्लास में जाएं
रोहित आ
Hello,
गया
everyone.
नहीं
रोहित आ गया
कंप्यूटर
क्या
क्लास नहीं कंप्यूटर क्लास
हाँ आ गया क्या लिंक हाँ कंप्यूटर वाले जा सकते हैं कंप्यूटर वाले चले जाओ भाई और जिन्होंने अभी जिनका नंबर नहीं आया है बोलने का वो रुक जाओ 5-7 मिनट में सबका नंबर आ जाएगा और भैया को बोलना है कि थोड़ा
बाय से गुड
एक्स्ट्रा
नाइट
ऐसे
सर
भी करवाएंगे अटेंडेंस वगैरह के लिए जब तक आ जाएगा सबका नंबर 5-7 मिनट लगेंगे जाओ कंप्यूटर वाले जाओ जा सकते हैं फटाफट से
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
गुड नाइट बेटा बोलो मत कुछ भी तुम चले जाओ बस अभी डिस्टर्ब करोगे चलो बोलो पिंकी पिंकी बोलो
Hello, everyone. My name is Pinky Vidya. Today, I am telling about a language. You know very well what is the language. You know that language is very important in our life. We can't live without language. We can't speak our thought without language.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश
And there are many types language in the world like that: English, Hindi, Japanese, Marathi, Chinese, Marwadi, etc. And Hindi is very important in our life because Hindi is our mother tongue.
शाबाश यार बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लगी तू
And
बोल 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 अभी
how can we learn language? First of all, we can learn in environment, and second, we can learn grammar. And English is very important. English language is very important in our life. Very much. Those days, and we can increase our language like that. We can we can speak daily, and we can English news, and we can writing daily, and we should English newspaper daily. Then we can increase our language, English language, and most of the time we are कुछ घबराने को
nervous.
most of the time we speak nervous, so we
become nervous.
so we can we make our short videos.
We should make. Bolo.
We should make our short videos, and that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश। कंप्यूटर क्लास से तो चले जाओ तुम, बस अभी सब आ ही रहे हैं। बाकी लोग उनको बोल देना भैया कोई 5 मिनट रुको, वेट करो, सब आ रहे हैं अभी, तो कुछ बात कर लेंगे आपसे। वो किरण,
Yes, sir. My name is Kiran Berwa. Today's my topic is language. Language is very useful for us. Language is very important in our world. There are 22 type language like English, Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, Tamil, etc. There are 4 type skills day by day develop our mind, like speaking, reading, writing, or self study. We can learn language in the environment.
शाबाश, ऐसे कोशिश करो, वेरी गुड, करो तुम।
We should learn many type language like make a sentence and reading and writing and speaking and new words. Hindi language is motherland language. English language is international language. That's it, sir.
ऐसे कोशिश करो आप बस, है ना। और इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना आप अच्छे से, सेल्फ राइटिंग में इस बार वही लिख करके डालना है ना बेटा। आप ऐसे कोशिश करो, हम देख लेंगे अपने आप, बस आप ऐसे करो बस, ठीक है ना। यस खुशी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kushi Meena, and today my topic is language. Language is very necessary for us because we can talk to anyone with the help of language.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोल, बिल्कुल।
Language can be learned in 2 ways. First, we can learn the language by bringing in the environment.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, आप तो बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है। हैं? मंदिर जाके आई है, हमेशा ऐसी क्यों नहीं रहती है? ऐसी रहा कर बेटा हमेशा, बस नीचे मत जाया करो कभी भी। बोलो आगे।
And second, we need to learn the language. Different countries have different languages. There are 22 languages in India, like Hindi, English, Sanskrit, etc. There are many languages in world, like Korean, Chinese, Indian, etc.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया।
we learn in language by many ways: writing, speaking, learning, and reading. That's it, sir.
बहुत ऐसे रहा अगर इसको अब नीचे मत जाए लेके जाए अगर 4-5 दिन में फिर वापस नीचे हो जाती है तो ऐसे थोड़ी होता है बेटा। कंसिस्टेंसी रखो ना बेटा, आप जहाँ जिस लेवल पर पहुंच गए उस लेवल पर बन के रहो, नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए बेटा कभी भी। ऐसे तो अपन नीचे जाते रहेंगे ऊपर आते रहेंगे, ऐसे में चलेगा क्या बेटा? ऐसे ही आज का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था, हमेशा इसको मेंटेन करके रखो बेटा। आप समझ में आ गई तुम्हारे को बात? अंजलि।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is language. Language is very important to speak. Language have their own value.
शाबाश, बोल आराम से, घबराए मत, हो जाएगी कंप्यूटर क्लास अभी रुकी हुई है।
Without grammar, any language can't spoken. Can't be spoken because there are two types of skills to speak is writing and listening. They are the main things to speak any language. Hindi is our mother tongue and English is our international language. There are so many languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Korean, Japanese, etc. Language सर हर कंट्री में होती है, इसको कैसे कहेंगे?
क्या
हर कंट्री में होती है, इसको क्या कहेंगे?
लैंग्वेज इज नेसेसरी फॉर एवरी कंट्री।
लैंग्वेज इज नेसेसरी टू एवरी कंट्री। दैट्स इट सर।
कोई बात नहीं, आज बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है तुमने, ऐसे किया करो। कंप्यूटर क्लास है तो जाओ आप। यस नाउ गुरमीत।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Garvit. Today, my topic is language. Language is very important in our life. Without language, we could not express our thought and views. Our India has about 22 languages, including Hindi. Hindi is our mother tongue and English is our national language. India. When we go on foreign countries like USA, Russia, Korea, and South America, when we do not know their language, so we know how to speak English because about all over the world know English. And there is two ways to learn English: direct and indirect. Without language, all country yes sir, that's it.
कोशिश करो। देखो अभी तुम्हारी बहन कितना अच्छा बोल के गई है। अब आप इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना आज अच्छे से, समझ गए ना? हाँ ओके नाउ
सर।
हाँ
सर मैं गो नाउ।
यस व्हाई नॉट, आई हैव टोल्ड दैट ये कंप्यूटर वाले जा सकते हैं, बाकी को कोई नहीं जाएगा। अभी 2 मिनट में क्लास खत्म होने वाली है, रुक जाओ।
ओके
हाँ मैं सीरियल बाय ले रहा हूँ, सबका नंबर बस आ ही रहा है। यस कल्पना।
Yes, sir. Today my topic is Suprana. Language. Language is very important of life. There are many There are many
बोल
language. All people are different language. Learning English language makes you feel confident. There are many language, USA, etc. English language is very important. Hindi language is mother language. That's it, sir.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश। तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा सा हैवी हो गया टॉपिक, लेकिन मैं एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा था, कोई बात नहीं है, घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है ना। यस, नाउ प्रियंका, आपको अगर कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं हो रहा है तो किसी और टॉपिक पे भी बोल सकते हो आप, पर मैं चाहता हूँ डरने की क्या जरूरत आ रही है, कोशिश तो करो, इतना सुना है अपन ने, बोलो।
My name is Priyanka Jain. I am a student of Rambar English classes. Today's topic is language. Language is important for life. Language is part of our life. Language is feeling, emotional, etc. India is spoken in Hindi.
हिंदी इज स्पोकन इन इंडिया, कोई बात नहीं है, ऐसी वॉइस बन रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आगे बोलो, तुम सुनना, अगली बार बहुत अच्छा बोलोगे, बोलो।
There are many different state there are many different state speak language. Hindi, Tamil, English, etc. We can speak without language. First of all, thinking, speaking to speaking. Okay. First of all, listening, speaking, reading. First of all, thinking, listening, speaking, writing. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, आप घबराओ मत, और इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना है जब आपको सेल्फ राइटिंग में, ठीक है ना, इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना है, आराम से सोच के 4 घंटे भर में लिखो आप, है ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यस, नाउ हिमानी।
Yes, sir. Good evening to all of you. I am Himani Rajput from Ramban Interactive English Classes. Today's my topic is my language. Language is a system of conversation.
शाबाश, शाबाश।
Language is very important for us. There are many types of language like English, Hindi, British, French, Sanskrit, etc. We speak many types of languages like English, Hindi, Sanskrit, etc.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा है बेटा, वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोल। हाँ।
When we go to other countries or states, so we have to speak many types of languages. How to learn languages? We learn languages from our surrounding and listening with our environment. There are two important languages for us, like English or Hindi. English is a We speak English many times, like in schools, colleges, hospitals, etc. When we go to America, USA, or British countries, so we have to speak in English because the Americans does not understand our Hindi. They also understand English
Very good.
because they always speak in English. Hindi. Hindi is a very important language for Indians. All Indians speak in Hindi. Where they speak Hindi very perfectly.
शाबाश 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 बोलती रहे
Hindi is very good subject. Hindi is a pride of India.
Very good यार बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
There are many languages are speak in other states like Mewari in Mewar, Gujarati in Gujarat, Marathi in Maharashtra, Hindi in India, and English in America and USA. We have to learn many types of languages from listening, writing, from our surrounding, from our environment, etc. We have to learn English, Sanskrit, Hindi from their books. We learn many things from our books. Some Indians speak English very perfectly. They are perfect in all languages. There are 22 languages in India. We have to learn all languages for shine our future. We face many types of difficulties in our future when we do not learn
अरे सही है ना डू नॉट लर्न
any language.
हाँ बोल
Any language.
घबराए मत कर तू बोल हाँ
So my idea is about language. Learn all languages for shine our future. So that's it.
अरे वाह यार बेटा शाबाश मैं वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छी बात है वेरी गुड तो प्रियंका समझ में आ रहा था तुम्हारे को जो बोल रहे थे बच्चे
हाँ सर थोड़ा वो समझ में आ रहा था
कोई बात नहीं आप राइटिंग करो इसी टॉपिक पे है ना वेरी गुड अभी तो टच में है आपको थोड़ा आ जाएगा चिंता मत करो आप बस आज जैसे बोला ऐसे बोला करो आप बस गलत सही छोड़ दो आप मैं अपने आप करवा दूंगा आप टेंशन छोड़ो आप लिखो जम के ज्यादा से ज्यादा उसी टॉपिक पे आज इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना आप है ना बस करो आप कोशिश कोई दिक्कत नहीं है और बढ़िया है कहीं कोई ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं है बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहो मेहनत करते रहो और कभी भी क्लास छोड़ के जाओ बिना बताए कभी भी नहीं जाना और आदत जिंदगी भर डाल लो यही की बात नहीं है कहीं भी जा रहे हो आप बोल के जाओ सर ये दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम आई एम लिविंग ओके मेरे पास कुछ नहीं मोबाइल पे मैसेज डाल दो आप आईडी पे क्लास में मत डालो आप वैसे डाल दो आप ठीक है बेटा
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू